E61 was developed in 1961 by Faema by a man named Ernesto Valente, and it's become the standard. It looks really obvious at first because you can see the group heads jutting out from the machine, and that's the classic E61 look. They are all quality machines. Most of them are heat exchange, which means that you can do coffee and milk at the same time, and they vary in having a vibration pump or a rotary pump. A vibration pump is exactly what it says, vibrates a lot, and it creates a lot of noise to get the steam pressure up so that you can steam your milk, whereas the rotary pump is a little bit more durable, a little bit more robust and quieter while delivering that great steam endlessly.